Work every day, every weekend. We turn it up on the weekend. Oh yeah, every morning. All you girl will like Queen Selassie I Ja. We got the legendary DJ Wayne. Joe, you are visitor now in my general. Yeah, mommy, Joe, you are visitor now. You don't know. How you doing? Everyone. Long time I no come on over here come. Go on a little talk. What I miss your goddess. You know Christmas is coming and the goose is getting fat. Please put the money in the old man hat. You know what I mean? What go on the kitten? Don't know. They look on it on the internet and me I say me have to come on. You know? Cause when I try to change nobody's life. What's up, Caramel Fire? You know what I say? I realize that we the people of the world we have a big problem. Share. And I realize that the biggest problem we have is acceptance. We don't want to accept reality. I'm going to start off by saying this. The older people them, enough of we are struggle with accepting the truth. Now, me look on the internet a while ago over Shade Room, and when me look, me see the girl named Tamara Braxton. Tamara Braxton, them about 60 and now, or one of them age there. And she do a show. In a one something she almost naked. Remember when you're young, you can't get away with anything, you know. But when you reach certain age, certain things don't look cute no more. You could have deal, it don't look cute no more. It gonna look bad. And when you clear, who hype you up and who boot you up and I say, yeah girl, this look good and this look good. It's just like a big man I wear a skinny jeans. See, a man wear 60 having on a skinny jeans and I wear clothes with tag. You would just picture a big 60-year-old man wearing clothes with tag. Now papa have the tag off it. Like you want everybody to see the price on it and that no look good. And enough of we are living a low. And I say we because we are talking about. Me the man get so comfortable with reality and that make me look so every day. See? And that make me look so every day. Because I accept say, even though I put on like a die right there so, no care how I put on like a die, the grade them nah go away. But I just do that for, no say, it just, you know, give me a little youthful exuberance. But, grey, you know what I mean, say you're all, you know, or you attire, or you carry yourself. See? Because when I tell people, say them all nowadays is a disrespect. But to me, I take it as an appreciation. Because if somebody can come tell me, say me all in a 2023, because gone are the days we used to tell people, say them all when we was 20. And never know so we'd ever live for be 40. Never know so we'd ever live for be 40. Zane and the lady her name, what her name? Darius. Good afternoon, Darius. Because anytime I jump on in a certain topic, you always join in. I don't come on this bash nobody. Acceptance is our problem. And if you not accept who you is, I say you mash up in a life. Because many of us are seeking validation from people who not even like we. Them not care about we. Remember, this clothes don't make you the man. Because you can't put on clothes and your heart dirty. You can't put on clothes and your mouth stink and your arm green and your crotches mowly. You can't put on all of them something there. Acceptance is that thing where you have to know who you is. Because you see the truth, you will always be the truth. None of we can change reality for what it is. None of we cannot change reality. And again, me tell people to live them life and live your truth. Because your truth will always be your truth. A person who has never accepted who them is, and them have the most problem. Because them not accept who them is. You call everybody, you buy the clothes, and you call everybody and ask them what them think. That means that you are the problem. Because anybody can tell you anything. Joey can tell you, say, yeah man, I hear a thing, man. Susie can tell you, say, yeah man, I hear a thing, man. And 5 people tell you, but you still in yourself. You know say not you, but them are true. Them just want get rid of you, them just tell you anything. Why you think all not for the celebrity them end up in a crisis and problem? Because when people are telling them the truth, they don't want to hear it. Remember, in a social media show, you say everybody entitled to them own opinion. Because this what me I say right now, some people don't like it. Them are gonna say, we are judge people. We not judge nobody. But when you reach certain age, you're not supposed to run competition. A lot of people on social media and in the world today are living their life like they are young people. You have to accept your age. And this is the next thing I want to tell you now. Anybody where you deal with nowadays, make sure them add value to your life. Make sure say them add value to your life. I'm going to tell you now, I know say boy you get wicked. Again, because we know boy you wicked long time. I drive around a back road last night. At 5 o'clock this morning, a matter of fact, girl still wrong there. And I say, well, blowjob? Come here, sir. Come here, you girl, you guy, come here. Come here, let me give you a blowjob. And at 5 o'clock this morning, that, you know what that tell me, say? It rough. Because it's 5 o'clock in the morning and you still out there. Because normally when you pass around there by 3:30, so you don't see nobody around there get away. And when you pass around there now, you know what go on? Around the ram. Because remember, say Christmas a come, them want them llama. And I'll tell you this again, no found in our like. Celebrity TV, what go on? I'll tell you this again. No man, when I say 5 o'clock, I talk about 5 o'clock this morning in the mood. I know one girl alone around there. I talk about one corner, one of the corner them have 6, 7 girls. If me a regular man around there, of course me regular around there. Regularly. You stay there. Y'all back road I rent the business. Me tell you something. Because I want to listen to me, you know. Because I remember anything when I tell you no. Remember me take them advice there for myself. But me have 50. There's no way a 20-year-old woman going to settle with you for the rest of her life. A 50-year-old man, you're going to trick yourself if you think say you will live for 50 years and a 25-year-old girl going to just drop everything and just decide say you are man until death. You make a sad mistake. Your heart will hurt you. Killer filler, money over hype. 31st of December. Don't give me my bit. Don't know Richie feelings. Book feet. 2,500 for going. He give you 2,000 pounds in a cash prizes and whole heap of thing. Big up yourself, killer filler. Clarendon no good again. And I say that, you know. And who wants to say a liar no believe, or not check on yourself. No way you are 50 and think say you are going to get a 25-year-old to settle down with you. You're more than half of our age. She no live fear life yet. She no do nothing yet. She no make fear mistake them yet. You don't make your one them and you want settle. And that is what happened to enough elder woman too. And me I tell you no. Enough of the woman them are 50. And them expect say a 20-year-old youth I go spend the rest of them days with them. It's not going to work. Because uno done fuck out and suck out and do all kind of thing. Remember said a young youth there have to fuck out and suck out too. So you have to allow him make film mistake. You can't want change him. You could have give him clothes, you could have give him money, you could have give him car, you could have give him everything else. You take one whole heap of man in your life, you have to take one whole heap of girl in a film life. You have to make film mistake them. You have to make film mistake them and you have to allow him to make him mistake them just like how you have to allow this girl, you have to make her mistake too. Because again, she doesn't know some things that she doesn't work off of what you tell her, but for her experience are different from yours. Because again, once a man reach certain age and him would not work, him could have draw your clit like elastic little more. You not go want that. That's why I love no found a woman when you not talk. Oh, I want the boy to sit down in him face, I want the boy for this, I want the boy for that. So why you want that alone? Why you buy dildo? What you do with dildo? Eh? What you do with that dildo? Since you just love a man for mouth, what are you doing with a sex toy? What are you doing with a sex toy? Then a children want to feel something we hard. So me just a show now again, you know, how life work. A woman, when she reach 90, all she have to do is just lay down and walk on her foot. The man have to always get it up. Linky links, what go on? So that's why I urge the man them so now have to take care of herself. Any woman will just tell you say she want man mouth alone, lie them and tell them are wicked. Sammy plant piece of corn down a gully. Lie them and tell. So I urge the man them to take care of herself. Because if on the tool now work, we not have problem. Why you think so them have so much enhancement for man? Oh, for go longer and for go this and for go that. Shanti, go on, man. You're wicked. You know son a lie me I tell. You know son a lie me I tell, but this is the thing again what we are doing a check with self. Can I watch this? I'm 45 now. I'm born and grow on it garden, concrete jungle. I see everything. Enough of my friend them not live for see that age. Them some dead at 18, some dead at 20, some never reach 25. And we come out of that and we still a survive and I watch that generation come now. When we did a grow up and just come in and selecting thing where you walk cartel as a tech body girl and 4 back shatter for the whatnot. Them youth and now we get big now, no know nothing about the whatnot and the break front. They know about chest of drawers. They know about chandelier. We never know about a chandelier and a ceiling. We know about aluminum on floor. And that we know about. We know about enamel chimney under bed. Most of them youth don't know nothing about a chimney under bed because them days it's still there about, but not chimney not there under no bed again. Yes, people still live in a big yard. But a bucket people, a bigger bucket, because a chimney can hold one, a chimney only can hold one somebody piece. That is to how the generation change. So we are hear some different things now where we hear it, it's so nasty to we, but it's so nice to the younger youth them. So that's why we feel just accept and just realize, say, listen me, them things we can't tell you that say in a 2001. Never did so bad. Because we in a 2023 now, going in a 2024 and a year man I say piss in a girl mouth and all of them something they like. We never did hear them something there when we even when we did a watch blues when we did younger. You understand? So that's why we have to accept. Gone were the days where I come from this one TV channel. Right? One TV station. Now we have thousands. We don't even know. We are there and we are on that, but not now go on the TV. You know how much things there if you watch? But I just want it's like not interest because we have too much now. When last week you nobody attack no story. You know see a gunshot of fire down there so people attack but no. Yo, you know see what go on. The boy them running on the beryllium chuck. And them running on the beryllium chuck and yo watch that video here. Nobody now come talk about no brother Tukuma no rolling car for no brother Nancy. Nobody now talk about them something there again. So that video show you how things has changed. Things change and we still stuck in a 1 gear. While a 12 gear the truck have. And we still in a 1. And we are trying going a reverse. We there in a 1 and I try going a reverse. We can't get back time. We cannot get back time. A trick enough we a trick ourselves, you know. Remember this, you know. Peely. We want to watch grow up on the internet, you know. Remember say from she at 3, me I put her up on the internet, you know. From she at 3, me I put her up on the internet and now she at 12. Now she at 12. She got basic school. Left basic school, got primary school, and now a high school she a go now. Remember say, I got 7 years up at Queens with Missy. And I got 3 years up at UA with Missy. At 10 years what a school that I go. Pretty lax. 10 years what a school that I go. 10 years for Missy. And now me I do the same thing with Peely. So oh, me still sit down and make it look like say me a young boy. Me have to accept say me a big man. My youth them closer to 30 now than 20. Me remember when my youth them becomes 18. Me remember when them was 9. Me remember when them just born. So enough we a trick ourselves. Cause same way like how we was 10 and 15. And look which part we there now. Grey hair a kill we. All kind of sickness a take we. All kind of sickness. We have arthritis. We have pneumonia. We have all kind of something. I will still not accept. Remember one time gone, I back like NC. 9 grand, 10 grand. A 28,000 and 30,000 for a back like NC in a dance now. I remember one time again when rum, a whole people used to drink rum. Rum a big seller in a dance now. Big seller. I remember 2007, 2008 when Magnum got 10 years. And then about I think was a 10 long, 10 strong. And we in a 2023 now, so check that. Be a different liquor they bought now. Remember $1,000 for a cranberry in a dance, you know. $1,000 for a Red Bull in a dance now, you know. So, when you hear me come on and talk and I say we have to accept reality, you could have deal. Because remember again, a man who used to bridge light all life. He would know that salvation lasts for long, but he never want the salvation for done. Because the salvation run out. And he realized that now JPS running from everywhere now, them change out the meter them. Them now have to come in your yard. Hey boy, come down, hey boy, you go dead. And be people want to kill the man who come to cut off the light. No, him now come in your yard again. You just know say, after 5 days, your light gone. If you walk grand on your light bill, your light gone. And you have to call them and talk to them before them cut off that. You have to stay upon there. And talk to them and tell them, say, yeah, beg them look a grace period. Nobody now worry there again. Your waterman are the same thing. So things and time has changed. So all when they sit down and I go on and I want to accept. So listen to me. We have to be grateful for what I go on right now. We have to be grateful. You know one of the next thing we are going, like this morning, I look for Mandela Highway. Remember I passed Mandela Highway this morning, you know. So when we're up on the road at morning time in the early morning, trust me, the road nice and smooth and pretty. And you just want to test out your vehicle, how fast your vehicle is. How fast. You just want to test out your vehicle, how fast it is. People who live in Jamaica in the holiday, yeah. Though, look out for the next person where I come. Now just look out for yourself, because enough of the time I know you are the problem. Enough of the time it's not you is the problem. Or the other driver are the problem. I mean, if you tell them this again, say you see, anything we are doing in life, you have to get ready to live with the consequence. You have to get ready to live with the consequence. Any choice you make, you have to get ready to live with the consequence. Remember this, you know. Big up everybody who are married and happily married. But marriage is not for everybody. Marriage is not for everybody. Yeah, everybody can have a big wedding, but not everybody can have a long-lasting marriage. Some people ready for the happily ever after, but them not ready for the sickness and the health. Some people are ready for the richer or for poorer. Them ready for the richer, but them not ready for the poorer. Them ready for the health and not the sickness. You understand? Because everybody does feel like say life are going to be this nice sunny day every day and the rain not going to fall and the flowers are always a bloom. Why you think that them have season for things? And every man are going to be able to own a house either. And every man are going to be able to own a house. And every woman are going to be able to buy a car. And everybody are going to be able to do that. And every man are going to get a visa. You have to just satisfy with what you have. And just go and know so you live because you have life. As every brother has every different mind. And let me tell you something. Stop see people with them relationship and I come talk about that should have been you. A bad mind, a bad mind. Stop go your yard, go pressure your partner and talk about your partner this and your partner that. Stop rush the process. If you're there with somebody and them have ambition, you go and try with them. Don't stop, don't run for go jump ship. Someone love jump ship too much. And as on a jump ship, a blessing in disguise happen to the person who want to jump left. And then you don't want to try come back and it's too late. And when it's too late, you try everything in your power to get back where you did have. And never did utilize it. You never did love it. You never did cherish it. You never did do the right thing. And right, I just say somebody start do it. At them time they start say, oh, that should have been me. Am I something that the girl take on my man? You there as a man come talk about, oh, the boy have more man, and my woman that I'm a baby mother. Remember she always be my baby mother. Always be your baby mother because you share a child together, but she's no longer your woman, is your baby mother. But is not your woman anymore, is somebody's wife, or is somebody's fiance, or is somebody's significant other. You have lost your time. And you can't get back that. You could have video in your phone a little more. You could have threatened to expose and talk, oh, you're going to do this. Because let me tell you this, some man bitter, you know. Some man bitter bad. And yes, the video them in your phone where you and the girl share, one did a share because she love you at the time and she feel comfortable enough. She feel comfortable enough to be there with you. And if you do that with you, because once a girl get you, once you get a girl to do certain things, she have to love you to an extent to get so comfortable for you do them things with her. And then now it no work out and you have the video them and I look on them. You have to just know say yo move on because she move on and you no move on. And you see that thing they wanna come talk about, oh, she done but me not done. Let go that. Oh, you want move on and have your woman them. And she does have one man. Slaughter Rich, a great youth from over Cayman. I'm glad say the law change now. I'm glad say woman and man can sue for things like this. Defamation of character and revenge porn. Remember the charge that when them have for revenge porn, you go to jail or you pay a fine. Because you release this video of this girl here giving you head or performing sexual acts for you. And you release it to the public. Because you did a check now and say you're going to do it. All when you're there foreign, you still can't get the charge. I tell you, no, understand how the law works nowadays, you know. You can't escape the law now, you know. I want you to know that so don't make ignorance mash up, you know. And Enough little things me have to tell you in the morning, you know. So remember them, so me have to tell you, because a long time we don't come on, see? No found a run we got foreign, and we don't have no plan. No found a run where I want to see other people married and them marriage come through quick and them get them green card. I want to see them get it good and Una said that should have be Uno. Remember, a 7 brothers, 7 different mind. You hear me I say? 7 brothers, 7 different mind. You have enough people, yes, they are citizens in America. Gumshang, enough people are citizens in America, but them not have no ties. Them are citizens, but them are live off of the state. So when you go to married to them not even know the first thing if you do for get papers, like if you look about your papers, because them are live off of the state. See? Them are live off of the state. Them not paying no tax so long now. For you get when you look about all of them something, the person who are gonna marry you, have to have all of their shit together. Them have to have, because once them go to man Google the person, everything are gonna come up. Once them Google you, everything are gonna come up. I mean I tell no found no, we are planning for go look about a visa, make sure on the social media clean. And when I say clean, make sure you don't have no bag of cussing and tracing and warring and all of them something there. Make sure you don't have enough of them, so make sure on the social media. Because them look on the social media now, on the Facebook, on the Twitter. So no found where they over the people them page and una catch up and una comment and una trace and una go on. Ratch up! No found where they are cuss and a trace and a go on. When you go up at the embassy and the people them say, what is the name? And them ask, somehow not two questions them ask, you know. 2 questions them ask, you know. Say the word there, what Bobby say, that word there. You can't provide an affidavit. That word, affidavit. That word is the word. It's a serious word, this. Enough people cannot provide that. Because this person that is marrying you and sending for you, them have to have them shit good. Them can't have no criminal record. Them have to have everything straight. Because remember, the person have a response for you. Because remember, say you have come to help build with them. So them have to send for you and respond for you. Them have to good in the system. That's why when time some boy get opportunity and this the woman them, and some big bomb boy them get the new talk for spread. And enough of the girl them come and this the man them for the man them help them too. You understand? Yeah man, everything by your social media man. Every social media where you have to give them and them are going to search you up. So all of no girl will love trace and beat on the chest and go on. And again, I have to tell someone this again. When you take the border and you seek asylum, because you take the border to seek asylum in the next country, nobody feel like you're going to just get papers just so. That's you can't just say you send for people. Or somehow say you go through the border and want to come back to Jamaica. After you're done, say, them want to kill you at Jamaica and you have to run out of Jamaica. They might check out the whole of them something now here. You have to prove it. And remember again, no found I go through and talk about una gay and them want to kill you. Remember say you have some other man over there were really gay. When you go back up in them, you have to prove to them, so you have to go plan for bend over and suck out some tongue and go out with some more hardness. So me I tell you no, you have to be careful how the lie you have to tell. Alright. You can't say me no want no. You have to be careful. Remember say enough of them, you nah, the truth, enough of them on the internet, you know, but I just true, you not see it. I just true, you not see it. You know no lie me I tell. And them live here when we do them people, are the people who have sense come listen to it. People who have sense. Yeah, mama. Are the people who have sense. Me I tell you no. The man them and the woman them where I love got up. If you know say you never in a gay thing before, you never do certain nastiness before. Remember say you have some people over there where them a eat for true and them a run with it true. And you and them buck up and them and say you have to prove it. Now when you go through now, And this me have to tell you now. When you go through now, that's the first part. The second part is you have to get a place to stay. They provide you with a place to stay. And when you get a place to stay now, they're gonna, because you have to go through the immigration process first. Then them provide you with a work permit where you can go get a little work somewhere. Don't bother come and want to look for every family member we never care nothing about you when they did Jamaica. That a mash up no for you. Stop trying to find back everybody where you and them born and grow when you reach into the people in the country. What's up, my lovely wife? Beauty brains. Remember, I know me not do the ads for you yet, you know. Remember, you know. I know me not do the ads for you, but I feel like I forgot, you know. I'm going to do it. Come there and study how to do it in a 1 minute. I have to make everything there in the ads. I want to read that with Tina Chroma say. Because Tina not ever telling a lie. Sometimes when you hear me say some things, when you laugh and think a joke, all of the things that I tell you is real thing. Everybody will get an opportunity and you get a wife who pay for everything. She do the filing, she buy your ticket, she do everything. You just pay $1. All you do, I just show up with your suitcase and your hood. Big up yourself. And the woman them will just show up with them front and them suitcase, big up on yourself. Because you never have to do nothing. All you do is go up to embassy and them give one brown paper and them tell you, say, don't open it. You're not supposed to open it. Daily bread, big up. See? But that's what I make you know. And as I tell you, we live in a country where you have to be smart. You have to use your 10 cents them because on a 6 we have 10. Ask me how you know say 10 we have. I don't know, but we just put it with us. Add over it a 6 them say we have, but you have to have more than 6 in a time like this. Because I live in get higher. Go market this morning. $400 for Irish. $500 pound for sweet pepper. $500 pound for tomato. Okra for $250 dozen. Carrot for $500 pound. Yo, market there, which we knew this. And remember again, $1,300 pound for oxtail in the wholesale. $1,300 pound. So you don't know. Everybody want to go do them look shopping. Just know say a $1,300 if a supermarket you love, you know a $2,000 pound. Zine? But that's why I couldn't know say these places is cost of living expensive. So you have to buy where you need and not where you want. And now it's not time to waste things. Remember say last night I passed KFC and KFC never ram. And the first I see that on a Friday night where you could have joined the line at KFC. I mean, know say a true Christmas next week. I mean, know that because I remember KFC now on a slow day. KFC and cigarette man now have no slow day. Because if cigarette sell for $200 for a single one right now, that I sell off same way. You know what I mean? So now, we have to appreciate the people who have in our life. Anybody who you have in your life right now, we always dead for you. Through thin and thin. Because no thick never dead there. Until it get thick and them still dead. You have to appreciate them people there. Stop love people for them hands. What come out of them hands. I remember say we're so smart right now. We know how to deal with people. We don't get upset with people no more. We just deal with them accordingly. You have some people, once you see them, you know what them are dealing with. Because they make sure you see them. Anytime things are going, you never hear yet. You have never hear. You never hear. In Cabby, you never hear them come and say, yo, Cabby, what go on? You know, say a thing I go on for me. I say, me I go broke $1 with them. I broke a piece of bread with you. More me I have a drink. You don't know. It's only time them link Cabby is when time nothing now go on and them want you listen to every stress that them have. Listen me, we have to smart. Don't make nobody drain out the whole of your energy and burn out the whole of your oil. And when them burn out the whole of your oil, them have for them oil same way and gone. And leave you for I look for coal and look for fire stick and look for all kind of things to catch up back your fire. All kind of wood, all kind of coal to catch up back your fire for them burn out the whole of your coal. Drain off the whole of your energy. Don't give everybody your energy. Everybody not deserve your energy. The word when you're friend, it is using very loosely now. Because friend not go one way. Friend supposed to go both ways. All when me in a talk for 6 months. You not have to cuss and war with nobody, but we have to know. We have enough time to sit down and see who our friend nowadays. We have enough time now. We're old enough now to realize the word when you're friend, where we say, oh, that person is our friend. We know now who our friend, because remember, say again, COVID show with these things, you know, COVID locked down everybody, you know. And when COVID locked we down, enough we still not learn. Why you think say, no family break up? Because I did hang them just a hang on a thread, and COVID just come tear that apart, and not death cause it. All you do, I just lock down. And when you lock down, you think. Because when you're there by yourself, and you just there one place, why you think say enough man when them go to jail or when them there on them hospital bed? So much things run through their mind. But you can't think about the negative. You can't think about the negative. Sean Kingston, big up yourself. See, when you sit down and meditate, don't meditate on negative things, because that's like a whole. Because you see, and everybody will do something, don't pray them. Just leave them, make them get for them karma. Because again, I say if we pray back to do them something, we have to remember, say we have our family, we have our mother. Maureen, we have our mother, we have a father, we have a family member. Because remember them say do good and good will always follow, you know. Good no might not follow you, you know. Good might follow you, you them. I remember say again, them say manners carry you through the world, you know, but respect lasts longer, you know, than manners, you know. Some people might rate you, but them not respect you, you know. Me I tell you this. Remember one time enough people me used to have them up like, and when time I even think about them, me get so ignorant, me get upset. Me get upset till all my head start hurt me. Me done with them something there. So that's why I can come on and come tell you, say, too much energy to keep up somebody in your heart. You will catch a heart attack. Me I tell you will catch a heart attack because you are praying and say, oh, all about the name Sean. Yo, all them boy there, after me do much things for them boy there. Remember when me have my money, and remember when me have me this and the boy Sean, where and the boy, I'm do this for them, I'm do that for them. So if you did have $1,000 and you have 150 left out tight, and you know say, at 850 you give people, and then you spend the 850 on people, you know what you have to do? Keep the 150 and save it for yourself and pinch it. Pinch it. Guy Bergs, a long time. He's a Sean. May I tell you, it takes too much for other people. It takes too much energy for other people. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go, man. Let them go. Because any let them go, may I tell you, and you hold back yourself. Don't hold back yourself for people. And may I tell you this, anything in a life where you do, make sure you put yourself first. You can't put people first. From LiQWYD, them say you run go to the rock and the rock look somewhere for run to. Remember, you know, you run to the rock and the rock look somewhere for run to. And look on the rock supposed to be a big heavy rock, right? Then I saw them look on we and say, yo, Richie them big and strong. Richie them big and strong, them can't take the weight. Big and fat, him can't take it, man, his body can't take it. But the mind, remember your body big, you know, but your brain small and your brain control your whole body. Remember your brain, you know, your body big and you're tall and chopped, you know, your brain control everything. One little something wrong with your brain and I eat that because you can't just, and nerves can't get licked and you just mash up for life. Don't make nobody mash up for life and then go about them business, you know. Now idiot. I'm going to tell you the next thing where I mash up some people. Imagine say you give a person 30 years worth of your life and like you look back on the 30 years and you say, but me always I do. It's going to make you get angry at first. It's going to make you get angry. But remember, if you look and see how good you're doing when this person is no longer in your life, you're not go upset because you're doing better now and you're not have to deal with that person anymore. You don't have to deal with this person anymore. So you just let them down easy, make them go on. They're no longer your problem. So the little time where you have left, cherish it. And remember again, everybody not supposed to have access to you. You limit to have access to you. When you're too accessible, people will just use you like them are coming in one store. You ever see where the people are going to the clothes store, them and them touch up this and them touch up that. Don't make your life be like that. Too much people have access to you like your life a store. Them can just come in and feel up your goods them. And then just gone, oh, me don't want that. Oh, me don't like that. Me not this, me not that. And them gone out of your life. You have to deal with your life like a vault. And not everybody going to the vault. Deal with your life like a chandelier. You have to climb up on something to go up on the chandelier. Or if you touch the chandelier, if you even clean it because it's in the ceiling. You can't even jump and touch it the way it's high. You have to deal with your life like that. And everybody if you can come touch up and feel it up. I know enough how I walk around with that bitterness, you know. Because I tell you, I used to be a person like that. But I'm bitter because of things what people do me. I know I'm a good person. I know I'm a good person. So guess what I do? Find some time for myself and meditate. I do some self-preservation. I do, you know, some whole heap of things and look back in myself. And when I look in myself, I say, Richie, you don't need to do this. Because I remember enough people are struggling in silence. You know, I tell you that, you know, people. Enough people is struggling in silence. But them can't even express themselves to people because they will be judged. They will be judged. They will be judged. So them just hold it. Because again, everybody have them crashes that got you. Everybody have them crashes that got you. Seeing, somebody just are telling us say, we do enough things for people. Everything we do for them, just stop that, just make it be an experience, man. And remember one thing we have to always learn, everybody is not the same. Sure, shower. Everybody is not the same. Everyone is not the same. We can't look by everybody like the same. That's why them say it's not good for judge. Alright. The man with them called Jesus, what we grew up and I hear about. We are hear about Jesus. I always have to reach to that part here. Jesus up on the cross with Barabbas and another thief. Them a give Jesus some blood clot lick. Put mark up on Jesus head and all kind of things. And Jesus still asked for forgiveness for the two thieves them. Remember, Jesus is not a thief, you know. Jesus is not a thief. Jesus come and tell them about truths and right. Jesus come and give them water and I say, alright, them say, so water you give away. And Jesus bless it and provide it and it turn in a wine. And the same people them will drink the wine. And them same people they say, make him move him dirty blood clot. Me hate him. I don't know where him come from. You were back Barabbas. You were Barabbas. Barabbas are we and him born and grow. We don't know that boy the name Jesus. And lick Jesus with peace aboard. And Jesus still has to forgive them, Father, because they know not what they have done. Remember again, when them are fling all kind of things on Jesus, him ball out and say, he that is without sin, let them cast the first stone. And remember, the whole of we blood clot sin, you hear? All of we sin, we do something, whole of we do something already. Nobody is perfect. Whole of we sin already. Some of we still have sin up to today, dear. So this does go to show you so we're not for judge, we take people as them come. No for deal with people. And not because you hear somebody say them need help, we must run, go jump, or we are half our help. Sometimes we have to make things play out. Because I test some people, I test we. I test them one test we see how far we will go for them. Not because I hear somebody bawl out, that no means say pain them I feel. Not because I hear somebody say, whoa, my back. I hear them one hear and see the reaction we are come out of here. So sometimes you just go silent, don't run, go jump. You remember the boy who cry wolf. You remember the boy there who cry wolf. Always a cry wolf, and when the wolf a come, nobody never blood clot believe, and the wolf nyam him dirty blood clot. Cause him cry wolf every time and I play. Why you think the life stays so now? I be a prank, them a blood clot pull. Everybody a lead it like life becomes a prank now. People are go through them real life crisis and people are dealing with prank. Prank. Everything a blood clot prank. Prank. Yo, it's a prank. You take people real life and talk about a prank. Yeah? Antoine. You know what I say, man? When I say I him the blood clot fox name. Or the wolf name him. I him. I know the sheep. Then I throw them. It does like every day you come and I run be a joke. And you don't take nothing serious. Everything is a joke. Remember again, you know, them say by the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread, you know. By the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. Zine, it'll tell you a long time so we're supposed to work and have we own. I remember them tell you, say, if you teach a man for fish, him can feed himself and his family for a lifetime. But if every day you give him a blood clot fish, him going to live off of you and want the fish. Every day him see him want snapper, every day him see him want wenchman, him want doctor fish, him want butter fish, him want blood clot, all kind of fish. He might depend upon you. You just imagine somebody where you just give a fish one day. Every day them see you warm, you know no more of fish there. You know no more of fish there. Yo, if I give it a nice fish there, you don't give me back no more. You don't give me back no more. Them start to have a problem when them see you pass with them fish. With your fish and you don't give them one. Alright. Remix. You see this way I just said, some of us are dying slowly inside with grief. I can tell you about that grief in something. Me is a man where I cope now. Them time of the year, me is a man of a break down and ball out for Sanja. Me I do better now. But the pain does not go away. Anybody who have somebody in them life where you lose, like whether your granny, your brother, your sister, your mother, your father, remember the pain don't go away. There's no words that I can tell you to make you feel better. There is no words. No words. Nobody can come tell me about Sanja in a better place. Me get mad. Because I know say out and made a Sanja there. You understand? And if you want me to get mad, just tell me say, oh, Sanja did long time, you feel Lego that now. Lego me blood clot. Where you try to tell me say, me forget my mother. Eh? My mother? Me must done with my mother. Eh? Where you tell me say, dash away my memory. Bella, I'm a therapy this. Remember say me can talk about it without crying. Remember me can talk about it, you know. No. Without crying. But the pain is still there. Because the memories them I have with my mother. Let me tell you now. From me see me, I am a therapy. I mean, I'm my own therapy. Everybody not strong like me, but and everybody I got understand. So when you grieve, for anybody who knows somebody who is going through grieving of the loss of a loved one or even not the death of a child, all you have to do is listen to them. Them I got break down. Sometimes I'll 3-4 times for the day. Sometimes I'll 5 times for the week. You understand? There is no time. There is no time that you should say, oh, a time now for me Lego this. There is no time. So, picture me going to a therapist. The therapist asking me all these questions. So, how was the relationship with you and your mother? Remember again, me I gonna get upset. Because me I figure tell you everything. I pay you to tell everything, you know. So what me do is sit down, take time for myself. And what we have to do is when we have a breakdown, we have to just pull over in our car, lock up in our bathroom, turn up the music loud and just ball out. You hear me say? We have to ball out because we have to ball out. We can't keep it in. We have to ball out. We have to ball out, Barry Hype. Nothing wrong. Make them see I cry as a big man. And I say with the big man I cry for them now I understand, but you understand. Tiana, you see me? Remember again as I tell you, you know. How me deal with it, I know say me strong. The strength what me have, not even the lion never so strong. I mean, I tell you why I say that. Me and my mother, they have a great relationship. My mother was like my best friend where everything we talk about, and she wake up a morning time and me first she message. When she go to her bed, she tell me, if me I go play ball, me call her, she come watch me I play ball. Me and my mother have all date night. Yo, my son a long time I eat a fish. Alright, mommy, me I come. Oh, me want to go eat some ice cream up at Devon house. So the relationship that was there. And thank God, so we'd have some video where we used to show love video with mother, because I love so when my mother be here and put on her clothes. Zine? So the relationship there, it really bring me through. When me find out, say, my mother dead. When me find out, say, my mother dead. Remember again, you know, my strength I get test now. Alright, so my mother dead on her bed, right? So them block her off. Bam, me go look on her and see my mother dead. Me touch my mother foot and me touch my mother hand, me touch my mother face, me touch my mother hand. My mother dead. Me know this is my mother dead. Bam, she have to move from public hospital now and she have to go over the morgue. Me have to go back over the morgue now. Re-identify her back. Me have to look on her another time again. See? Me have to look on her next time again. Re-identify her to carry her to a funeral home. Me have to go pick out her box where she have to go in. Me have to go pick out her clothes. Remember, you know, me have a brother them. But, me have to do it. Me have to do it. See? Me pick out the whole of them something there. Remember now, you have to prepare her the day before for the next day for the funeral. See? Me have to go there because I wanted to do this. I want to see how my mother I do. I want to see how them address my mother. So me there they help address my mother. You know how much strength you have to do that? You know how much strength you have to really look. So when you see enough people, when them reach at the graveside or them drop down, or when them reach at the church or them drop down, remember say them not see that part there where me just tell on about, you know. Because them can't, enough people not see them loved one until she go down in the hole like them staring at the back. Them send the money to do everything and everything. But when you have to do that part, they have to do the dressing and the everything. So some you know, say me strong. So you say if your heart weak, trust me, you can dead right there so with your mother too. So me, you know, one of the time, me I blame all myself. And I blame myself and I say, what me do? Wrong. What me could have do for try keep my mother alive? Like, why me never know this or why me couldn't do this? So me start blame myself. I guess when you blame yourself, I one of the wickedest earth that. I remember again, my biggest problem with me have, and when me see people and them mother laugh and I go on, me catch bad mind. Me I tell people this and me not afraid to talk of the hungry bad mind that me bad mind of people and them mother. Me bad mind. Me heart burn me. What's me say to some people older than my mother dead and gone. Me I say, oh them people are still alive and my mother dead. Me still a struggle with that right now. So I cope. So it's a transition from grieving to coping. The day them are going to get better. The days them are going to get better, you know. The days them are going to get better, but trust me, it's rough. I can tell you now. And one of the hardest things to bear And it's enough time. That's why me know what it is like to lose a mother. I don't want know what it is like to lose a child. Because me know me not gonna live through that. You hear me say? Because when you love your children, you have some man or some woman in the business about nothing about them children. You see me? So that's why I tell you, say it get better. Me have a brethren will lose him father. And him lose him father. Say him lose him father August. Last month of November him lose him mother. So in a 3 month span him lose both time parents them. You hear me say? My father still alive, you know. And every day tell him say me no want you say your head hurt you. And you not tell me anything will happen to you, me first you know. And me first you know. You hear me I tell you? And we not wait until we love one dead to make them know how we feel about them. We have to tell them because remember again, no care how much memorial you want to keep. No care how much big funeral you want to keep. No care much. Some of them think they keep because of guilt. Because the guilt when no found never really look upon the parents. Because when I say when I take care of a girl and when I take care of a man, when the mother here want do, and when the daddy and I buy boy red bottoms and when I buy girl blood clot tell for bag. But yet still, your mother tell owe the lady in the shop, your mother owe the lady in the shop $1,000 and she can't walk past the shop. And you a blood clot buy girl car and your mother owe the shop lady $1,000 blood clot dollar. Right? $1,000. But yet still now you have to spend $2 million on funeral. You have to buy out the whole of blood clot, D&G and the whole of Compari and the whole of Ray and Never now. And give her 1 bag of free blood clot food. Curry goat and oxtail and fried chicken and every blood clot thing. And watch everybody in the community a drink. But you never yet say, make me carry my mother. Make me and my mother go up a KFC or even in a mother's or juicy beef. Make me give my mother a half hour. But young girl got dream weekend every blood clot here. Anybody can tell you know me love Sanja. We never pretend with Sanja. Anybody will know me. No, we not pretend. Because I remember say the truth that always come out. It can't hide, you know. It can't hide. And the most chatting go on when funeral keep here. The most chatting go on when funeral keep. So, when you don't know, don't wait till the loved one dead. For go on like you want to love them. Build this big headstone and this 1 bag of something. One to the time. Amount of time when I spend with my mother, I feel good for no say I could have cook food. I tell you say all Christmas I come. And I know say I can't cook all my mother dinner and carry go give her. I begs. I tell you this. Mr. Man can't. I know say I can't go give my mother little food. I begs over them something that I can't get for carry pine and porridge go give my mother. I begs. But I can't cuss to nobody. I have to just stay in my yard and cuss. Because I don't want nobody to say, them me attack. So I just stay by myself and cuss. I just cuss about buckle out and just a cuss. And I'm mad, me begs. Because you go so bam. And I'm telling you this. When I realize, people are in a better position than always, I tell you say, I chat there in your back say, you're not nobody. You are nobody. Boy, Richie, man, are nobody. That's why I'm glad I'm stay. I know who me is. And you see, sometimes your biggest enemy in life are the closest person to you. Remember, you know, see how me talk about my mother. You and your mother might not have that relationship. So, I'm not knocking you if you don't like your mother. Because again, if you reach 25 or 30 and just find out say you wasn't given to the right man that you call father, you're going to have that bitterness there. And when you ask your mother for explanation and why you did this, and you know, because I can tell this, every woman will have sex with two men. Once she breed, she know who breed her. Why she don't tell the original man? Because he have more money. The man who she fall for will breed her, never gear about something there and say, yo, him can talk at first, him going to stand up to him responsibility. But soon as belly start get big, him not willing to mash up him life for you. Him never willing to mash up him life for you. So you know in a shambles and say, alright, I'm going to fix it now. Because remember enough man never know how a woman's cycle going on. She just tell him say she has her period and he just say, yeah man, I want you naive, yeah man, I want you. Girl, I see her period, you know, yo, John no star. And she tell him say all 1 month she has her period because him so ignorant to them something there. Him not pay attention, him not get time to know the woman's body. Because him busy a going out the road and a go out with a bag of thing. You know what I mean? So me just a show on say, if you and your mother don't hate her, just try find some peace for us. You know? Forgive her. It done happen already at 20 a year and at 30 a year and you see me? Because remember, you know, enough youth don't know the truth, you know. Enough youth hate them father because of what them mother tell them, you know. Enough youth, you know, have up him father up to the day, you know, and his mother know the truth and she not tell him, you know. She not tell him. And the youth have a hatred and a bitterness towards him father, you know. Him have this bitterness here keep up in him, and he must say, oh, all my father, I just want to have it to help my mother, you know. I just want to take care of my mother and give my mother and this and that and that. And he don't know so his mother cause him father to run away. And let me tell you this. You hear me a knock on the counter here. Oh no dirty blood clot over a worker. Oh no any tag of bitter. Oh no over a worker. The woman of our man. Yes, the man like you. You say you like the man. You see the woman life and you want it to be your life. So you say you do everything in your power to get rid of the woman. Try remember, you feel like so the woman life did perfect. You never know so you go pick up a big dirty crosses in your dirty blood clot. You never know. The woman did take it with a smile because she know if you deal with it. And you fight out and wobble out and do every blood clot thing to get out the woman. And now you realize that not goal you did a see. You did think a grassroots you did a see. A son you did a see now your dirty blood clot. Now your yai twing now your blood clot yai. Son now your yai. So the Womvn man take your money and the blood clot Womvn and work. And you pick up one blood clot lifetime across is a favor you do the woman. Because she was left long time and never know how to left. Because through him put himself in so much debt for blood clot. Here high life where you beg for. Because you try to keep up. You see the woman that buy a car. You don't know the woman get her money. The woman take out her loan. And true, she and her man live a thing say him buy the car gear and you want car too. And you stress out and blood clot war the man. And you go with all kind of thing. And you want car because wife a drive car. And this and that. See now you have the man to your blood clot self. And now you in the debt them. Reason on if you no come out across is blood clot. Like in a blood clot parliament. A dirty blood clot. You think we don't know? We know. We know. Woe be unto a woman will tell her next man say, don't give him child nothing. A your child alone forget this and your child not a shot. Yes, the man get him outside child. The man get him outside child. Why you figure tell the man say, oh, outside a bastard pitney. So him not forget nothing. You was a wicked, dirty blood clot. Remember the man take up you and you did have your pitney before him breed you. And him get another pitney out the road and you tell him say, I hear one them alone forget take care of. This blood clot girl and her pitney not forget not take care of. What you gonna do? Hide the truth from the youth? You can't water down nor dilute. You dirty Womvn worker, dirty blood clot. Me here to know. Womvn worker. You done half of no blood clot money and try bring down people and tear down people and you know better. Let go the people them blood clot out on the shoes. Let go the people them. Uno dirty pussy clat, uno. Touch not the Lord anointed. No for uno. Uno anything go bitter. No for uno can't sleep at night time. No for uno can't sleep at night time. No for uno. Cause uno sin a bite uno and a joke uno dirty blood clot. No for them uno see them stay so bad man a suffer and you wonder how them look so. How them back there under them eye. How them just look so like them not sleep. How them for sleep. How them for sleep. You know much people them try hold down. You know much people pitney them have pitney. You know much people pitney them try hold down. Eh? The little girl pass off how much subject. And through your pitney no pass. You know like when the people talk about how the woman daughter bright. How the woman son have potential. Eh? You can't blood clot sleeping on the bed, you dirty blood clot, you know yourself, pussy hole. You know yourself. And when you don't go like you blood clot perfect. Nobody not perfect, not perfect. You have to learn to go through things, and when you go through things, you know if you deal with people. I'm telling you, enough youth to go some man youth them have potential and could have play football. Youth have all 15 subjects and you wonder how the blood clot youth that just get mad so. How the youth that just mad so, the youth that have so much potential. Eh? The youth that were brighter than the whole way of school. Eh? Not even the brightest 100-watt bulb no brighter than the youth yeah. And this a youth that does blood clot start walk and talk to himself so. Eh? The youth that does talk to himself so. Hey man, you do the people them blood clot son something. Remember if you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. And remember when you wish bad for people pitney, just remember say you have children too. Remember again, anything where you wish when them say when you dig one hole, make sure you dig one for yourself too. So dig 2 holes. Okay? And mind the hole where you dig your blood clot, drop in it and can't come out. Remember, it take a lot out of you to tell say you're really glad for people. To the way life I go right now, you can't even express yourself to everybody anymore. It's like you have to live like your secret service. Sign blood clot at NDA, say you work with Obama, you can't say nothing about Obama. You can't say nothing about none of the presidents and the prime minister because you sign an NDA, non-disclosure. You can't say nothing. That's how you have to treat your life now and everybody to know your next move. Keep your finances, blood clot a secret. People will know about your man, but not go down in it about your man. Careful how you tell people about your man where you have girl. To the same friend where I run secret competition with you. Remember man I run competition with man, you know. Boy I come and see and I talk about want through the want you have the nice friend like you. Pussy hole why she have a nice like blood clot. Why the girl have a nice like my woman? Why the girl have a nice like my woman? Why you can't go look your own a blood clot woman? Why? You get raised at work. People nothing know because I'm telling you this, I'm telling you about who love cry and cry, boy, nothing not go on. And when you go get a breakthrough, you know how much blood clot breakthrough some of them pussy hole you get? You know how much breakthrough some of them pussy hole you get? And them still not satisfied? Me say the whole blood clot house broke down. I run through the true. Them get enough breakthrough. And them a fight for your one time you go so man a wait for your breakthrough. As you get your breakthrough, every blood clot problem them have in their life. Every problem them have a come with show the you know say me in a little jam. And me I wonder if you could have helped me out. If you could have helped me out, right as you as your blood clot. Remember say someone they are foreign and want just rascal and fix on no credit. Because a friend fuck up on no credit. Friend. And family fuck up on no credit. And even uno fuck up on no credit enough. Friend and family fuck up on no credit. No found there Jamaica. And they are Jamaican blood clot, same friend again. Wanna go take out loan for friend. I want to take out loan for blood clot friend and the same friend and them mash up the same friend who lend no money want to tell so when I save to buy on a bed, when I save towards a car and them say them want the money and them tell you they might get back in a 3-month time and a 9-month blood clot now. And the same friend I talk about yeah run them down, them a go up on blood clot trips, them a go a blood clot IB Star, them a go a R Hotel, them a go a S Hotel, them a go the whole blood clot alphabet. And when you forget year one, them a tell you say you for wait and them come to you upon them bending knees. Them come upon them bending knees and say please, pretty, please. Please, I beg you. You're my last resort. I water, nose not, bogo. Whoa, Jesus Christ, my friend. And you lend them the blood clot money. And you lend them the money and I know a war. You and them not talk again. You and them not talk again. You and them end up all a courthouse. You know, dirty blood clot wicked, you know. I don't feel good about it. You know, blood clot, you don't know yourself. You just hear say the blood clot woman get a little partner jar you borrow type. Remember one time I have a friend, you know. And me and him in a partner, you know. The partner did $5,000, 1994, 95, this me I tell you about. $5,000 the partner run. 5,000 Jamaican dollars. So you must know long me I tell you about. $100, $1,000 bill never come in them time there was $100, not even $500 never come in yet. And my blood clot goes up and get $5,000 for the jar. And me lend him $2,000 plus give him $500. And remember, I hell and powder house me get back the 2,000 blood clot dollar from there so me learn. You hear me say? Me own a friend we borrow me money. And I lend him 2,000 plus, give him $500 because I say I'm my best friend. You see, blood clot best friend, I come to take your life. That's the worst thing you can ever say. What Chronic say, how can a man you are par with from your band turn around be your enemy? You know, dirty blood clot. So nobody feel like we just come on boy and I tell you, say, our people tell you, we experience one heap of things. You know what I mean? Enough things we experience.